50 years. In the whole story of human history, it's just the turn of a page. And in the life of our planet, it's just a heartbeat. But it's been enough time for us to put a scar on the face of the planet. In the last 50 years, we've done more damage to our world than in the entire 200,000 years of human history. The pristine Amazon rainforest and Cerrado savanna areas of Brazil cover 9 million square kilometers and are essential to the survival of the human species. These areas of dense, uncharted forest, wooded grasslands, and gently meandering rivers are responsible for 20% of our planet's oxygen, 30% of our planet's fresh water, and are sources of ingredients for 25% of all the West's modern medicines. But this environment is also home to one of the most iconic and graceful of the world's predators, the elusive black jaguar. Symbolizing the precarious future of all of the Amazon rainforest and Cerrado savanna. This is the inspiring story of the Black Jaguar Foundation. When we save the home of the endangered and symbolic jaguar, we can preserve our own future and the futures of generations to come. The Black Jaguar Foundation and its partners are working on a 2,600-kilometer long, 40-kilometer wide nature corridor along the Araguaia River in central Brazil. It will preserve thousands of species and can become South America's biggest reforestation project. 10% has already been achieved, and you are a vital part to complete this important cause. Our team is a group of successful professionals and suppliers, backed up by strategic allies and the elite of project partners in Brazil. Still, we need your financial support. In return, you can involve your customers and your employees in this world-changing initiative. You can improve your company's reputation by demonstrating commitment. And most important of all, you and your company will contribute to changing the world for future generations. Become a sponsor partner of the Black Jaguar Foundation.
Tõelise armastuse ja tõe otsimine maailmas üha enam läinud viimaste mohikaanlaste riik. Väga vähesed on, kes seda tegelikult otsivad, kes teadmised oleksid raamatusse.
Our staff have been demanding an improvement to travel administration for years, and for 18 months we've been trying to achieve that with other pieces of software unsuccessfully. And then IntelliDocs comes along, and in 8 weeks we've formulated a workable solution.
IntelliDocs is absolutely delighted to be able to gift the ANU the use of our innovative technology. Putting innovation in the hands of innovators to us makes a lot of sense.
The IntelliDocs solution allows us to actually upload the information straight into the finance system, straight into the HR system, straight into the student system. It allows us all of the online validation that we would want. It's completely integrated with the rest of the university systems. This frees up a lot of administrative time to work on other things that add more value than shuffling pieces of paper around the university. For two ANU alumni to come along and offer a solution to one of our biggest problems, that's terrific.
Giving this gift to the ANU is going to transform the way the university does business, and it's going to be able to take advantage of leading digital technology. Phil and I are both passionate alumni, and it's just such a great privilege and an honour to be able to share our technology that we've invented with our alma mater, who've taught us so much and given us the opportunities to think globally and to meet great people, in business around the world. And the ANU really set us on that path and set us on that journey, which, we're deeply grateful for.
The gift that Michelle and Phil are giving us not only gives us a great commercial return in terms of saving us money within the university, but I think the desire that they both have of establishing a centre which is focused on developing an academic and educational relationship which allows students to really engage with the company in an entrepreneurial way.
We're very interested in commercialising those solutions that the university creates for efficiencies inside the university, so that perhaps other universities can take advantage of those efficiencies, and indeed other organisations can perhaps adopt what the ANU's leading edge solutions are. And then further on from that, putting our technology in the hands of other innovators, who knows what they will create.
The value of this gift is what we do with it, and the value of the gift is what we achieve, not just over the past 8 weeks, but over the next 2 years in doing more paper processes. So this gift could well be worth more than $10 million to the university.
There's one flying low.
Hi everyone, Kelsey from Clothing for All here, and today we are shooting photos and talking about one of my favorite subjects, which is wine, of course. I am a big wino, and we are out here at King Estate Winery in gorgeous, outside of Eugene, Oregon. I guess it's about 45 minutes outside of Eugene. King Estate celebrated their 20th year anniversary this year in winemaking. At this particular facility, they make Pinot Gris, Pinot Noir, and limited amounts of Chardonnay, but they also have a winery up in Washington that does all their other wines. So we can take an up-close look here at some of the vines. It's interesting to note how old it looks down here at the bottom and how old it looks through here, but then it grows up. And when it grows up, all these little shoots start coming out, such as these in here. And you can see right here, this one wraps around the other one. What these little shoots do is they come out and they wrap around so they can grab hold, and this right here is holding this entire vine all together, and then they've put some wire in to help them grow upwards. So the vines grow upwards. You can see some of the grapes down here. These are the grapes for their Pinot Noir, and we're actually right now on, this is the grapes for the Pinot Gris, because they're green grapes. And we are right now on one part of their 430 acres that are actually certified organic. They do a really great job at composting and making sure that they grow natural and everything is organic. So they are certified with that as well. You can see behind me some of the acreage. They have tons of different acres of wine, and it just goes on for hills and hills. So beautiful King State Winery located outside of Eugene, Oregon. So here we are at our second part of King Estate Winery. This is the beautiful area where they hold events and a lot of people get married at. Notice all of the beautiful stonework and the hedges and flowers. There's also a beautiful garden up that way. They hold lots of events out here. People get married all the time. Behind us is the office building, and actually if you go into there, that's the first room where they start processing the grapes and the wine. They bring it directly up here. Start processing it in there, so it's super close. They don't have to be in the trucks for a really long time. They can get the grapes in as quickly as possible and start smashing them up to get some wine out of it. So this is the second part of King Estate Winery.